Today we are going to be switching out the front differential oil. We got some new parts that I ordered from Amazon and eBay. I'll put the link in the description for them so you guys can match them up. We're also going to be refilling it with some gear oil, just going with 75W90. Lastly, I came across these on Amazon. It's a LED kit, again, link in the description. And it's pretty much just all interior LEDs. Also the license plate LEDs, so yeah, well, this will be part of the video as well, so without further ado, let's get into it. Skid plates off. Underneath the car here. So this right here is your differential. There's the drain plug. So we're gonna try to take out the fill plug first. It's crucial that you attempt this because if you can't remove the fill plug, then obviously there's no way to fill it up. So try the fill plug first. If it works, go for the drain plug. It's gonna be a 10mm hex head. There you have it. Fortunately, it didn't strip, but we're still going to be switching it out regardless. This is a pretty old car, so I'd rather get a new one of these put in. So. Got some metal, but nothing too crazy. Here is the old fill plug. This is the new one that we're going to be putting in. Here's the part number. Just a little bit nicer, less probability of it stripping. For the drain bolt, here is the old one. Here is socket head with a little magnet. Again, I'll be sure to link this one in the description. Now that the drain bolt is tight, we're gonna fill this up using Valvoline 75W90. This flex fill pouch should make it pretty easy. There you have it. Now when you install the crush washer, there's gonna be a flat side and there's gonna be like a indented side. You want the flat side against the flat side of the screw. I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just gonna hand tighten this. And this one's going to be a 14mm. The differential fluid is all done. Next up, we're going to install the new LEDs. I'm going to quickly go through and show you what the current lights look like, and then install them and show you what the after looks like, so you guys can compare and see how much of a difference this really makes. So. Alright guys, so here's how we're looking so far. It is way brighter. Yeah, by opinion. Look at that. You can just tell how much brighter that is. I'm having some trouble down here with the glove box light. Some of you probably didn't even know that there was a glove box light, but so as you can see, this bulb is really burnt out. It's extremely small, so like I've tried pulling it out with my fingers. Very difficult to do. I saw someone else wrap their needle nose pliers with tape to try to not break the glass. That hasn't quite worked for me, so I think what I'm going to try to do, put in a piece of tape, try to get it to stick to the bulb, and then pull it out. Alright, so that worked really well. Put the LED in, but won't turn on, so it looks like it might be a fuse. It's been a long day, so I'm going to have to tackle that a different day, but LED is in.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. I got this backseat tactical organizer off of Amazon. It contains 5 detachable pouches that strap onto this bigger set. And this just straps directly to your back seat. Really easy, cheap to install. And it's also very convenient to have. I kind of just use this to organize some of the smaller stuff I have, such as multi-tools, my tire pressure gauge, and some of the other stuff that I may need on the fly. Super convenient, and I wanted to share with you guys. Again, this will be in the description below. It's not very bulky and it doesn't take up too much space, which is what I really like about this. But this is pretty much going to wrap it up for the video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the content. Got a lot of exciting stuff coming out in the near future, such as a rear axle swap. I'm going to be putting in an e-locker, so subscribe to stay tuned for that. Lots of cool content coming your way. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.